In front of me is Honor Magic V3 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on apps over here. Then select App Twin. Click on gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone and wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use no blue sweater. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!